factory.
We like to invent products at the factory.
Invent.
We work with hard, heavy, and light materials.
Hard, heavy, light.
We make products with metal, glass, and plastic.
Metal, glass, plastic.
We use glue and scissors at our factory.
Glue, scissors.
We design products before we make them.
Design.
We can repair broken products.
Repair.
Now find the picture.
Which picture is glue?
We use glue in our factory.
Can you find the picture of glass?
We make products from glass.
Can you find metal?
We make products from metal.
Which is plastic?
We make products from plastic. Now match the picture and word.
What's this? Invent, repair, or design?
We repair broken objects.
What's this? Invent, repair, or design?
We design products before we make them.
Invent, repair, or design?
We invent products.
Is it hard, heavy, or light?
The rock is hard.
Is it hard, heavy, or light?
The feather is light.
Is it hard, heavy, or light?
This block is heavy.
What do we do at this place?
Invent.
Yes, we invent products at the factory.
What materials do we use at the factory?
Metal, glass, plastic.
Yes, we make things from glass, metal, and plastic.
How do the different materials that we use feel?
Hard, heavy, light.
Yes, some are heavy. Some are light. And some are hard.
What do we do before we make products?
Design.
Yes, we design the products first.
do if something is broken?
Repair.
Yes, we repair it. What else do we use at the factory?
Glue. Scissors.
Yes, we use glue